in this next recording, we're going to do the last question on reports. It's question 6.9, and it also counted 5 marks. They've given you the report. This is what it looks like. It's got player name, results, country. That's fine. What they want us to do is to group it by country. I'm also going to do one extra thing, and that is I'm going to sort it in ascending order by country. And then for each country, they want us to count the number of players in each country. And then in the footer of the report, a calculation which will add up the total results for everybody. Okay, again, we need to change to design view. Now, at the moment, there's no grouping and sorting done. So at the bottom here, it says add a group and add a sort. If you don't see this at the bottom, then you just need to click the group and sort button. Okay, we're going to add a group and we're going to group on country. Beautiful. Okay. Make use of a calculation to show the total number of players per country in the grouped field footer. Now, at this point, I have a grouped field header for country, but I don't have a footer. But watch this. Oh, I did say I was going to sort it. Let me just sort it by country in alphabet A to Z. And it says sort by country more with no totals, with title. Let's see if we can have a count here. No, is there a count? Count values? We do. Okay. Without a header, here we go. We want it with a footer because they've asked us to put this calculation in the footer. So that's what I'm going to do. Now, I've told you before, in a report, if you're doing a calculation, you use a text box. So I'm going to click the text box and very carefully round about the middle of the footer, I'm going to draw that box. Why there? Because you actually end up with 2 boxes. This one is the label for that, and I'm just going to call it number of players. Let me just make it a little bit bigger here. Number of players. So I'm just going to do a count. That's what I'm going to do, equals, and here the formulas are the same as in Excel. So you always start with the equal, and you just, for a count, you use an asterisk. Beautiful. Number of players. So let me just go and have a look at that quickly. There we are. Okay. So I know that's got player name here, but please note that I asked to sort by country. So there's Belarus, there's Brazil, there's Bulgaria, counting how many people in each. There's Canada, has 2. China, Denmark, Finland, France has all of 7 players. Okay, so it is grouped by country. Then at the end of the report, in the footer of the report, I have to go and add, just make a footer here, it's country footer. Just want to, oh, there's the report footer. I have to go and add a total results of all the players. So I'm going to do another little text box here. Oh, they've given us the box there. I don't have to do another one. Sorry, I don't have to do another one. Let me just take this away. I'm going to use this and I'm going to put it in there. The function was left out, and it is equal sum round bracket, square bracket of results. Square bracket, round bracket. Beautiful. And I'm not sure what the, just go and have a look. There we are. There we are. Okay. So let's go right down to the bottom because that's where it is. And there's the results. If I add up all these numbers together, there it is. Okay. Happy with that? And that's what we needed to do. So you're going to work in design view. If you need to group and sort, there's the button. You decide what you're going to group it on. We had to group it on country. We needed to go to more to add a grouping footer because we only had a header. We needed to add a grouping footer, country footer, to put in the count. And then right at the bottom, they'd already given us this, but they'd left out the formula. And we needed to add up the results. So equal sum results. The name of a field is always in square brackets. Right. And that brings us to the end of that question and the end of the paper. I'm not going to do the HTML. I will do some revision on HTML later online.